Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am Anshul, your JAIIB mentor, and your exam dates for the May 2025 are already out. So today I'm here for a very important session with you. We are going to discuss the step-by-step process for the registration for your JAIIB exam. And this is going to be the ultimate registration guide. So if you have any doubts, any queries, everything will be cleared in this particular session. So make sure that you watch till the end. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe because from today itself till your examination, all the important updates you will get here itself on the YouTube channel. Right. So let us begin discussing the registration process for the May 2025 exam. First, if you look at the screen, you will find the official website of IIBF, the iibf.org.in. When you visit this site, you will find this notice. The notice says that the registration for the JAIIB and DFF May 2025 examination will start today. So today means on 4th of February 2025, the registration process has already started, right? So now if you visit the site, you will find that the registration is live. So this is the official site, the first important information. Now before we begin with the process, let us discuss the basic things about the JAIIB exam for May 2025. The exam, the Junior Associate of the Indian Institute of Bankers, conducted by IIBF, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance. Eligibility are the banking professionals and the members of IIBF. It is very important that you get the membership. We will also discuss how you can apply for the membership. The exam dates and registration dates have already been announced. Mode of exam is online. The four papers, Indian economy and Indian financial system, principles and practices of banking, accounting and financial management, and the retail banking and wealth management. We already know that the exam pattern is in multiple choice questions. You will get 100 questions and 120 minutes to solve them. Official website is IIBF that I just showed you. Then, if we talk about the registration fees, so the registration process of the May cycle has already started. They have started the cycle early this time so that you can have more time for your preparation. All right. So the starting of the registration is from 4th of February to 10th of February. So if you register for the exam between this time period, then you will have to pay the normal exam fees. If, however, you miss this time period and you register between 11th February to 17th February, then along with the normal exam fees, you'll have to pay an additional of rupees 100. And then if you delay beyond that, from 18th February to 24th, you will have to pay the normal exam fees plus additional rupees 200. Although this amount of rupees 100 or 200 is not much, still we suggest you that you register before 10th of February. So this is the normal exam fees that you will have to pay. Now, the registration fees depends upon the number of attempts a candidate has made. Also, GST will be applicable on the below mentioned fees. So for the first attempt, rupees 4,000 plus GST. If it is your second attempt, then third, fourth and fifth attempt, you will have to pay 1,300 rupees plus the GST. And if you make the delay, like we just discussed, so beyond 10th of February, starting from 11 to the 24th, you'll have to pay the additional fees of rupees 100 and 200. So avoid this additional fees. Simply pay the normal exam fees and register yourself before 10th of February, that is starting from 4th to 10th of February 2025. Now, this is the whole process, the simple steps to complete your registration for the JAIIB exam. First, you are going to visit the official IIBF website. Go to the official website of the IIBF. Then you will access the examination or the courses section. You will click on the home page. You will find the examination or courses option to proceed. Then you will select the flagship courses. From the list of the options, you will choose the flagship courses section. Under the flagship, now the JAIIB option has been made live. The JAIIB option to access the online application page, then you will fill out the application form. All the required details, including the personal, educational, contact information. You are going to upload the scanned copies of your photograph and the signature. The guidelines for the same have been mentioned on the site itself. And finally, you will pay the examination fee and complete your registration, right? So now let us see again the official website. Here under apply now or the courses, both options are there. You will find these options. First, if you do not have the membership of IIBF, you need to get the membership. This membership number will be used to apply for the exam. So when you click on the membership, you will be redirected to this page. So there is the FAQ, how to apply, the instructions to the applicants, ID proof, ordinary member registration. Simply you will make the application for the membership. Here is the membership registration form. All the information you will fill it, and then you will get the membership number on your email, and you will use it to apply for the JAIIB exam. All right, so first you need to get the membership registration. Then, if you again go back to this page, the official website, you will find the exams option for the members and the non-members for the DBF. So if you are a member, the members and the non-members, both you are going to apply by choosing the option. Again, here under the flagship courses, you will find the JAIIB option. The JAIIB option. You will click on this option, and then the page for the JAIIB registration will open. You will here enter the membership number under this that you received on your email after registering for the membership, and then you will simply carry on with filling of the application. All right, so that is all. This is the simple procedure process for making the registration of your JAIIB May 2025 exam. So make sure that you register and you start preparing for your exam, because the exam dates are already out, and it is very important that you start your preparation today itself. You have about 70 days left till your examination. 1 month will be towards your revision. So for the most successful or the best strategy, what you can do, you can join the JAIIB Super Elite Plan, in which you will get the live classes, access to all the live courses for the JAIIB exams. You will also get full length mock tests, 40, plus you will also get 10 each for the papers. 120 sectional tests are also there, 30 each for the 4 papers. Doubt clearing sessions, notes that are exam specific, and the tricks to memorize. So the best mentors, best mock tests, and best study material that will assure 100% success for your May 2025 exam. So follow these steps, register for the exam, and start with your preparation. That is all for today. I hope this session was useful. If you have any further doubts, any queries, you can ask me in the comment section also. Also, subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of these updates. Thank you so much and all the best.